Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to create a group in Minter in the Hypermedia network and also publish it to a site. Okay, so first couple requirements. You need to have a domain. That's why I have my DigitalOcean dashboard here available. You need to also have a server available in order for you to install Docker images in this server, and of course you need to have a group. So let's make all together so you can see all the process with DigitalOcean. Okay, so I'm going to open Minter, the application. Okay, so when the application opens, well, this is where I left off before, so I can close this. I will go to groups, and then I'm going to create a new group. You can go to the top right corner in the group section and press new group. So I'm gonna create demo group. I'm gonna add the title, and I'm gonna leave the description off because I don't you can do this later. You don't have to do it right now. So I'm creating a group. So now I have this group created in the Minter application. So now I'm gonna create a new droplet in DigitalOcean. Okay, so you can do whatever you like. You can set the settings however you want. I'm just setting um, the basic machine, and yeah, everything is okay. So I can create the droplet. This will take a while, and then I'll get an IP to use in order for my domain to point to that IP. So this will take a minute. Okay, so now that I have the new machine created, I'm gonna copy the IP of this. Actually, I don't need to copy in my case because my domain is being managed by DigitalOcean. So what I can do is just I'm gonna change the name. Now I can go back to project and go to my domain. So here I'm gonna say to create a subdomain that points to this machine. So I will create the record. The record is already created. You see that it took the IP for that machine. So now my domain is demo-site.hhg.link. So now I can go to this machine that I just created it and install the Minter software. So in order for you to get the script to run in this Minter software in your server, you can go to the repo, which is github.com minter hypermedia /minter, and you can go in the README here and copy this part of this script. You of course need to change the URL to your domain, and also I encourage everyone to use this flag auto update because we constantly update the server code. So we are always adding more features and improving the software. So but you don't have to do it. It's my recommendation. So now that I can go here, I can see the machine. So I can open the console. You can do it however you want. I just prefer to do it here. And when it's connected, you see that you get prompt this terminal. So now I can paste this script and passing my new domain, which is demo-site.hhg.link. And I'm gonna pass the auto update flag. Okay, so I press enter, and this will install anything that needs to be installed in order for Minter to work. And we need to pay attention to the end because at the end, we're gonna get a secret URL that we need in order for us to publish our group to this site. Okay, so the script finished, and when the script finished, I noticed that I had a typo in my domain. So I just needed to run the script again with the correct URL, and then I got the correct secret URL. So we're gonna take this URL and go back to the Minter application and go to our group. So this is our group, and before we go and see it, let's just see the state of our site. You'll see that the software was installed correctly, and you can see that the site is ready to launch. So now we can go to the Minter app and go to this top right corner, the three dot button, and go select the publish group to site. Here is where we need to paste this secret URL that our server gave us after the installation. So when I create the site, it will publish the group to the site, and you see that it's updated the group to have the URL in place. So now if I go back here, you see that the site, it's already been it's already published in the group that I have in my local machine. So now let's just go to one of my publications. Let's just go to one that has more information. So I can go to a document that I want to publish there, and let's say this one. So I will go here to the top right corner and go to the groups tab and say publish to group. And here I can select all the groups that I'm allowed to publish. So I'm just going to select Horacio demo group, which is the one that I just created it. And let me just check the URL. And I'm just gonna put the URL, the path of this document to Hypermedia documents. So when I submit, you see that it's submitted to the group. I can go to the group now, and you see that there's one document published. So if I go back to the URL, you see that now the document is being published in my site to the path that I selected. So this is it. This is how you can publish your group, your Hypermedia group, into a site and put domains and create documents and share your knowledge with other people outside Minter. So thank you, and can't wait to see your sites going up.